Today I'm gonna show you how you can change the expression of your portraits from this to this. So let's get started. So here we are in a Photoshop CC 2018. Before we start guys, do subscribe to my channel. I am going to regularly upload some tricks and tutorials of Photoshop like this one. Also follow my Instagram handle where I have done some interesting manipulations. If you want me to make tutorials of that post, then do let me know in the comment section. I am taking this portrait as an example. You can see she has a kind of sad expressions. So let's make her happy. So first of all, duplicate the main image so you can see the quick before and after at any time. So drag down this layer to this icon. You can just simply press Ctrl+J on your keyboard. Then go to toolbar and select pen tool and zoom in a little bit. Make a points around her lips in a rectangular shape like this. Then right click and go choose make selection. Set the feather value to 4 or 5. Then press Ctrl+T and go to any corner of this rectangle and right click, choose warp. Then simply drag this point up to resize her lips like this. Don't overdo it, otherwise it will look awkward and unnatural. Take these points also. Adjust the points according to the size and position of the lips. Then press Ctrl D to deselect. But you can see the rectangular selection traces are left over her lips. So go to the healing tool. Press Alt to select the surrounding skin and paint it over that line. And it's done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press bell icon as well. Hope you enjoy this tutorial guys. Do let me know in the comment section how it was, and we will meet in the next video.